Found the Manzi pack in this beautiful spot down in a gully, not far from where we left them resting. And there's nice water here. There's a big log for the pups and the yearlings to play on. It's just a really, really nice spot. I'm Jules Bradford. I'm a wildlife filmmaker, and for the past couple of years, I've been following a pack of wild dogs in Zambia. Today it's Wild Dog Wednesday, so sit back, relax, and enjoy a few minutes as part of the pack. There's not a lot going on. The dogs are just enjoying themselves. Packs like this are able to be comfortable. They've well fed, well rested. They're not nervous about lions and hyenas. Oh. Regurgitation going on. They're all begging from all the adults. Pups all around the car. Oh, this is beautiful. Frenetic energy. Hello, pups. Hello, pups. Check this out. How's that, eh? The pups all around me. Oh, it's so cute. There's nothing that brings me as much joy as just spending time with wild dogs like this. Nice and relaxed, great light, beautiful spot. It's just starting to get cool. This is what I dream about, what I miss when I'm not here in the bush. It's just this. And any minute now, the silence is going to be broken. And this pack's going to get up and they're going to twitter and then they're going to set off and we're going to have to charge after them, trying to follow them hunting.